Hello everyone and welcome to our channel. Today we are going to see the fascinating tale of Molai Forest, a true testament to the power of human determination and ecological restoration. In this video, we will take you through the incredible journey of Jadhav Payeng, the men behind the creation of this ecological marvel. So, without wasting any time, like our video and subscribe to our channel to see such insightful content. And if you have not done it yet, do it right now.
Audio Jungle.
Join us as we are going to explore how a single individual transformed a barren wasteland into a thriving forest ecosystem, offering a beacon of hope for environmental conservation. Let us delve into the extraordinary story of Molai Forest, requesting you to see this video till the end, as you would get to know the whole story of Jadhav Payeng, who created the ultimate Molai Forest. Alright, so in the early 1970s, the area that is now known as Molai Forest, located on the Majuli River island in Assam, India, was a barren wasteland. Erosion and deforestation had left the land devoid of vegetation, and wildlife struggled to survive. Amid this desolate landscape, a young man named Jadhav Payeng felt compelled to take action. Driven by a deep love for nature and concern for the environment, Jadhav Payeng embarked on a mission to revive the land. He began planting saplings, one at a time, with unwavering determination. Despite facing challenges and discouragement, Payeng continued his work year after year in a silent commitment to nature. Over the decades, the efforts of Jadhav Payeng bore fruits. The once barren land transformed into a lush of green forest, and not just a few acres or hundreds of acres. The land was spanning over 1,360 acres. Molai Forest became a heaven for diverse flora and fauna, which was once extinct, attracting various species of animals, birds, and insects. The thriving ecosystem is now home to elephants, tigers, and numerous other wildlife. Jadhav Payeng's work at Molai Forest has garnered international recognition and earned him the nickname the Forest Man of India. So everyone knows him with the name the Forest Man of India. His remarkable dedication to ecological restoration serves as an inspiration for people worldwide. Molai Forest stands as a living testament to the positive impact of individual efforts in preserving the environment. Coming towards the conclusion, the story of Molai Forest and Jadhav Payeng's extraordinary journey demonstrate the potential of human determination in restoring and preserving nature's wonder. It showcases that a single individual, though being a single individual driven by passion and commitment, can make a significant difference in ecological conservation. So, driving motivation from this story, let us embark on the journey of bringing an ecological system. So, thank you so much for joining us on this inspiring journey of Molai Forest creation. If you found this video motivating, please like this video, share it with others who may appreciate the impact of environmental conservation, and subscribe our channel for more insightful content. Let us continue to be stewards of the earth and work towards a greener and sustainable future. Until next time, let's remember that even in the face of adversity, one person's determination can transform a barren land into a thriving ecosystem. And not just a thriving ecosystem, but a span of 1,360 acres of land into a heaven for many species, animals, and birds. Okay, so as we have seen in the story, it is the remarkable story of Molai Forest by the great person, the forest man of India, Jadhav Payeng. Thank you.